NLS Bard Mobile How-To Series. How to read an audiobook.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the Bard Mobile How-To Series, I am going to cover reading an audiobook. From the Bookshelf tab in Bard Mobile, select Audiobooks. From your list of audiobooks, select the title you wish to read. You will automatically jump to the Now Reading tab, and you will hear the title of the book announced. On the bottom half of the screen, you will find the Play Stop button. Double tap this button to begin reading your book or magazine. Double tap it again to stop. To quickly access a list of most recently read titles, double tap on the Recently Read button in the top left corner. A list of your recently read titles will appear in reverse chronological order. Double tap on a title to switch to that book. Alternatively, you can access your recently read list of titles with a three-finger swipe to the left. If you want to return to your original book, close the list with a three-finger swipe to the right. For details on navigating an audiobook, refer to the How to Navigate an Audiobook video.